Mastering the Art of Persuasive Speaking. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to dive into an incredibly important aspect of public speaking, persuasive speaking. Our focus will be on how to structure a persuasive speech effectively. Persuasive speaking is all about influencing your audience's viewpoints and encouraging them to take action. So, let's get started. Persuasive speaking is a form of communication designed to change the listener's mind or prompt them into action. It's used in various contexts, such as business presentations, political debates, or even casual conversations. The main goal of a persuasive speech is not merely to provide information but to change people's perspectives and spur them to act. When it comes to structuring a persuasive speech, there are several elements to consider. A typical structure includes the introduction, body, and conclusion. In the introduction, your task is to capture the audience's attention, present your topic, and state your position clearly. The body should include your main arguments supported by evidence. The conclusion should summarize your key points and inspire your audience to take action. A well-crafted introduction is vital as it sets the stage for your argument. It should include a hook, a thesis statement, and an overview of your main points. The hook grabs the audience's attention, making them interested in what you have to say. It could be a question, a shocking fact, a story, or a quote. The thesis statement clearly presents your stance on the topic. The main points overview briefly introduces the arguments you will be discussing in the body of your speech. The body of your speech is where you present your arguments, supported by evidence. Each argument should be a separate point that supports your thesis. It's best to arrange them from the least to the most convincing, building momentum as you go. Evidence can include facts, statistics, anecdotes, examples, or expert opinions. Make sure the evidence is credible and directly supports your arguments. The conclusion of your speech should reiterate your main points, restate your thesis in light of the arguments you've made, and issue a call to action. Reiterating your main points reinforces them in the minds of your audience. Restating your thesis helps to remind your audience of the central argument of your speech. The call to action encourages your audience to do something with the information they've received. It can be anything from adopting a new viewpoint to taking a specific step related to your topic. And that's it. Those are the key elements in structuring a persuasive speech: a captivating introduction, a compelling body, and a robust conclusion. With these in your toolkit, you're well on your way to master the art of persuasive speaking. Remember, like any other skill, effective persuasive speaking comes with practice. So, keep practicing, keep refining, and soon enough, you'll be influencing opinions with your words. Until next time, happy learning, and keep speaking.